If you eat a banana every day, this is what will happen to your body. You'll get less sick. Bananas are rich in magnesium, zinc, and potassium. These nutrients will help strengthen your immune system and protect you from infections and diseases. You'll have more energy. Banana is the best source of natural, quickly absorbable carbohydrates to provide you with energy. You can eat them in the morning for breakfast or before physical activity. It improves your mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, the amino acid of happiness and sleep. It plays an essential role in mood regulation and can make you feel happier. It will regulate your blood pressure. The potassium in bananas helps maintain healthy blood pressure, balancing the effects of sodium in your body, which can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular problems such as hypertension and heart disease. It improves heart health. As I mentioned, bananas are rich in fiber, potassium, folate, and antioxidants. These nutrients, especially fiber, help people have a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases and also lower bad cholesterol. And check this out now, prevents the growth of cancer cells. A study suggested that lectin, a protein present in bananas, may help prevent the growth of leukemia cells. Comment from which part of the country you are watching this video. Now grab paper and pen and write down this tea that is very simple to make and will be able to make you never have trouble sleeping again. First, wash the banana well with the peel, then cut both ends of the fruit. Next, bring to a boil in a container with water and let it boil for about 10 minutes. When the liquid turns yellow, remove the banana, which can also be consumed. Now just strain and serve the tea. Recipe for banana to give energy to face the long day. Ingredients: 1 banana apple in pieces, 1 pear chopped, a piece of ginger, 30 grams of peanuts, 400 milliliters of coconut water, and honey. How to prepare? In a blender, blend the banana, pear, and coconut water for 1 minute. Then add the ginger and blend for another 30 seconds. Finally, add peanuts and blend until the mixture is homogeneous. Before serving, add honey. Which of the 2 recipes did you like the most? And do you usually consume bananas in your daily life? This fruit called banana is simply a gift from nature. Notice that the best vitamins are in fruits. Take advantage of this. Start consuming bananas in your daily life for you to have all these benefits. And it can be any type of banana. Feel free to choose the one you like the most. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow with another video for you.